One of the questions I get asked quite frequently is, what is the cracking or popping noise when someone gets adjusted? In between two joints, there's what's called synovial fluid. It's a liquid that acts as a lubricant that helps the joints move smoothly. Inside of that fluid, there's gases that are trapped. It's mostly nitrogen, some carbon dioxide. When the joint is taken to an end range, it actually will release those gases and make that popping sound. Kind of like when you open a soda and you see all the bubbles rise to the top and it makes a click or a popping sound when you open that. So keep in mind that not all adjustments generate the cracking or popping noise, yet we can still achieve the desired outcome.